Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to continue on what is supposed to be our topic about virtual world and mental health. That was our topic last time. Today, we are going to talk about virtual world and the social life. How was it? Kamusta naman 'yan? Ano ba yung mga dapat nating isaalang-alang pagdating sa bagay na ito? So, ayun yung ating video for today. So, just a quick bullet point. So, first is the rise. This is actually an empowerment to the introverts. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting hint. So, this one is actually empowering the introverts to speak out. Ma'am, sa next video sasabihin ko naman yung mga cons, no? Kagaya ng uncertainty of sino ba talaga yung kinakausap mo. Although, sa personal naman, you don't know what kind of persona are you going to be with. You don't know. Pero, eto lang yung kailangan kong gawin. Ito lang yung kailangan nating alalahanin. So, ngayon, yung mga Gen Z, yung mga Gen Y, mga millennials are enjoying this online dating apps, online business, pati yung sweldo, hindi mo na kailangan makita yung mga boss mo para magtrabaho ka. That's the idea of freelancing. Karamihan nga sa mga nagfi-freelance, hindi naman nila nakikita yung boss nila, kagaya ko. So, ayun lang naman. Ito yung unang bullet point na kailangan kong i-consider today. How was the rise of these apps with those introverts? Ito yung sabi sa akin ni Lord. It kinda helps, pero it really doesn't give them the edge over the countries that need socialization like the Philippines. Kasi at the end of the day, you will still have to meet them. It helps, pero at the end of the day, it's still there. Kailangan pa rin nilang harapin. Saan ba nanggaling itong introvert, extrovert na to? So, dito na papasok yung kung papaano pinalaki ng magulang and kung ano ang environment na inabutan ng bata. Pero as you know, the Lord said to me, pwede naman yan magbago pagtanda ng bata. Pwede niyang ibahin yung approach niya sa buhay. Pwede niyang ibahin yung sociological life niya according to his or her career path. Alam niyo yun? So, maraming maraming facets ang social life kagaya ng how he or she will understand that current trends kasi may mga iba social climbers pero they really not good at actual people. On the other hand, meron naman medyo mahiyain sa chat pero pagdating sa totoo ay talagang okay. So, it really gives you a different flavor towards people. Kasi sabi ni Lord, minsan magkaiba ang, or madalas magkaiba ang ugali ng tao sa online, magkaiba ang tao sa totoong buhay. So, sa totoo. Short ano lang to, maikling introduction lang to towards the social life. So, first and foremost, this is the rise of the introverts. So, talagang the introverts has a chance to compete with the extroverts when it comes to their promotion of products. Ayun yung nangyari. Ang kaso kasi, so, is this a nerf sa mga extroverts? No, not really. Kasi the extroverts can make the AGC. Pwede na mas madali ngang mag-usap 'pag nasa GC na, eh. 'Pag may GC na, dati wala namang GC-GC. Dati may group message pero it is not as accurate as Messenger. Kasi sa Messenger kasi may Google Maps na, puwede na nilang "Oh, saan 'to?" "Oh, sa Google Maps." So, short introduction lang 'to sa kung ano na yung mga nangyari, sabi ni Nerd. So, the rise of the virtual world is sabi ni Nerd, it's interesting to me. Magkakaiba ang resulta sa kada tao. So, at the end of the day, sabi lang naman ni Lord, basta kayo, bumalik lang kayo sa Biblia, bumalik lang sa godly ways, and that's it. Kasi may iba maliligaw talaga, mag-iiba ang perspective, kasi eto na eh. Eto na yung rise ng information age. So, kasi, I'm doing this. So, yung tipong, if you don't know about archaeology, edi hanap ka ng GC sa Facebook ng archaeology. Aviation, if you want about aviation, find a GC about aviation. So, and the same goes kung gusto mo naman, puro kalokohan, hindi ba ganap ka ng GC, halimbawa, ito yung gusto kong kalokohan, edi ayun, may GC dun. Kumpleto na ang social media. So, dito mo na malalaman kung ano ang ugali ng tao. So, ngayon, dati kasi, tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. Ngayon, tell me what are your GCs and I'll tell you who you are. Kung GC mo puro laro, edi gamer ka. Kung GC mo puro aral, edi puro aral ka. Pero sabi ni Lord, kung ang GC puro kay Lord yung pinag-uusapan, ay medyo ibang usapan. Ano ba ang pinag-uusapan sa akin? Yan, pag-uusapan natin sa Thursday yan. Maraming facets ng social media. So, it might consume some time for us. So, discuss ko sa inyo, how does it work with the introverts? How does it work with the extroverts? How does it work with the ambiverts? Yan. How, at nalabas na yung mga INFJ, INFT, EN, yung mga INFT, ganun. Pag-usapan natin yan. Kamusta naman ito? Abangan nyo yun. And then ito na, how does witchcraft introduces to this social life? How does social media affect sociology? How does it affect the community, the philosophy of a community? How does it affect leadership? How does it affect ecclesiology and the like? Ito ang ating pag-uusapan sa mga susunod na panahon. Abangan nyo yan ha. I'll see you next time. God bless.